Everybody knows that pilots train their ability to fly planes using a flight simulator. What do you think would be the best way to train your sexual performance? We present Myhixel Iii device, the most advanced stimulation device that mimics real penetration, designed to help you control your climax and enhance your erections. Train your ability to control climax and prolong your erections with a sophisticated tool that emulates the real sensation of penetration. This way, you'll feel confident when facing a real intimate encounter with a partner.
Following the success of the Myhixel II, our previous device that sold over 40,000 units in just 2 years, we are now launching the Myhixel Iii device with enhanced features and capabilities.
The new Myhixel Iii device includes: there are 5 different vibration modes and new positioning for increased effectiveness. 3 modes for premature ejaculation, each with the same intensity but different frequencies, designed to help desensitize the glands by providing varied stimulation. 2 modes for erectile dysfunction, with consistent intensity and frequency but different stimulation patterns, aimed at overstimulating the penis to help maintain a firmer erection for a longer period. Improved warming system that reaches a higher temperature. We heard your feedback. Yes, you wanted it hotter. Upgraded sensors to measure position, velocity, and movement of the device. Number of stops and shakes during use. Tracking and statistics of your progress. Duration of each session. Usability stats, so you can better track your progress in the app when you're following our therapies. Improved usability thanks to Toit's new buttons. USB-C charger and improved battery.
We've also kept the following features because you loved it.
Waterproof IPX7 system, Bluetooth connection, suction tabs that allow different levels of suction, realistic sleeve with anatomical interior to emulate a real sensation of penetration.
And it's changed my life in so many different ways. It's increased my confidence, improved my relationship with my wife, both intimately and personally.
And I found myself controlling things that I hadn't thought to control before.
Over time, I noticed, things were getting better, and I was able to be there for my partner, and things were looking up.
I was able to last 7 times longer than I did at first, and most importantly, I could actually enjoy every moment with my girl.
The Myhixel Iii device is the perfect tool to use with our Myhixel Hub app, which guides you through expert-created educational content to help improve your ejaculation control and erection quality. You can track your progress, and the activities are adapted to your needs through AI. Our app includes 2 programs. Myhixel Control Program, an 8-week program that teaches you how to control ejaculation. Myhixel ED Program, a 5 to 8 weeks program aimed to help you reduce the anxiety and stress that affect your erections.
With Myhixel, I have helped patients go from lasting less than a minute to controlling their ejaculation for over 10 minutes.
Industrial design, prototyping, and IP stages are completed. Now we need your help to begin mass production so we can make another success story on Kickstarter. Be the first to get it on Kickstarter and you'll take your sex life to new heights.
Myhixel, next level, sex level.